Welcome to Shopping Spot, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech gadgets to help you simplify your life. Today, we're focusing on the kitchen, and we've rounded up 5 high-tech kitchen gadgets that will make your cooking experience easier and more efficient. From smart scales to instant pots, we've got you covered. So let's get started. 1. Smart Scale. The first gadget on our list is the Smart Scale. This device is perfect for anyone who loves to cook or bake. It allows you to measure ingredients with precision and accuracy, which is essential for creating the perfect dish. But what makes this scale smart? Well, it connects to your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth, and you can access a variety of recipes and cooking tips right from the Scales app. You can even save your own recipes and measurements for future use. 2. Instant Pot. Next up is the Instant Pot, a game-changer in the kitchen. This all-in-one appliance can pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, and even make yogurt. It's perfect for busy families who want to prepare healthy and delicious meals without spending hours in the kitchen. With the Instant Pot, you can cook a variety of dishes in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. Plus, it's easy to clean and can replace several appliances in your kitchen. 3. Smart Oven. The third gadget on our list is the Smart Oven. This is not your average oven. It's packed with features that will make your cooking experience a breeze. It connects to your smartphone, and you can control the oven's temperature and cooking time from anywhere. You can even monitor the cooking progress through the oven's app. Plus, it has built-in recipes that you can access right from the oven's touchscreen. The Smart Oven is perfect for anyone who wants to take their cooking to the next level. 4. Smart Fridge. The fourth gadget on our list is the Smart Fridge. This device is perfect for anyone who loves to keep their fridge organized and well-stocked. It has a variety of features, such as a touchscreen display, voice control, and a built-in camera that allows you to see what's inside your fridge from anywhere. Plus, it can even suggest recipes based on the ingredients you have on hand. The Smart Fridge is perfect for busy families who want to save time and reduce food waste. 5. Smart Coffee Maker. Last but not least is the Smart Coffee Maker. This gadget is a must-have for anyone who can't function without their morning cup of coffee. It's connected to your smartphone or tablet, and you can control it from anywhere. You can even schedule your coffee to brew at a specific time, so it's ready when you wake up. Plus, the Smart Coffee Maker has a variety of brewing options, so you can customize your coffee to your liking. That's it for our list of 5 high-tech kitchen gadgets to simplify your life. These gadgets are perfect for anyone who loves to cook, wants to save time, and make their life a little bit easier. From the Smart Scale to the Smart Coffee Maker, these gadgets are sure to take your cooking to the next level. Don't forget to check the links in the description box below for more information about these products. Thanks for watching Shopping Spot, and we'll see you in the next video.